Hello guys, welcome to Equint. I'm Vamsi and today I'm gonna talk about Reliance Jio and Facebook deal. Let's begin our episode. Facebook has bought 9.99% of stake in Reliance Industries and that amounts to 43,574 crores. I repeat, 43,574 crores. So let's check out the story behind. Let's check out the deal between Reliance Jio and Facebook. From the investor point of view, if I were an investor and I were to invest in Reliance Industries, what do I look for? Expecting good returns for my money over a period of time. In the second case, if I were a business and I'm investing in another business, what do I expect? Possibility number one, the other business is generating greater margins of revenue than my business. Possibility number two, my business belongs to a certain domain and the other business belongs to some other domain, and the amalgam of these two domains can lead to a better future. In my point of view, this Reliance Jio and Facebook deal comes under the possibility number two, that is, Facebook belongs to social networking domain and Reliance Jio belongs to telecommunication domain. Now let's see how this mixture can generate profits. Let's talk about the Reliance Industries first. Reliance as a whole has Reliance Retail Limited, Reliance Energy and Petrochemicals, and in the telecommunication sector, it has got Reliance Jio with over. Let's talk about the revenues of Facebook. So, if you're a Facebook user, you might have observed this. If you're a Facebook user and you're constantly liking all the cricket pages, then your Facebook would definitely pop up a cricket related advertisement on your Facebook profile. Is it? The answer is yes. And this is the reason this is how Facebook is earning money. On the other hand, Reliance has got several industries, as I mentioned: energy and petrochemicals, telecommunications, and Reliance Retail. And all these are the sources of income for Reliance Industries. Let's talk about the strengths and opportunities of each of these companies. For Reliance in telecommunication sector, that is the Reliance Jio, it has started with the motive of transforming India into a digital nation and has got 40 crore subscribers in a very short span of time compared to any other mobile network. And talking about the Facebook, as we discussed, personalized data and personalized targeting of the audience is the key strength of Facebook. Like as I mentioned, that cricket advertisements, right? Now let's get into this deal of Reliance Jio with Facebook. What does this actually mean? So Facebook, generating most of the revenues from ads, also wants to get revenues from the transactional revenue. Now what is transactional revenue? Transactional revenue is what the income made by the broker in between when a customer pays money to the merchant. See, I'm Vamsi and I went to MedPlus and I transacted for 100 rupees and I swiped my card. Now what's going on? I have transacted 100 rupees. MedPlus would be getting around 98 or 98.5 rupees. And the remaining 2 or 1 rupee 50 paisa would be going as the transactional revenue for the payment gateway charges. And now this Facebook wants to enter into that platform. Let's see how this works. Facebook wants to enter the Indian market in the payment gateway domain. Now, with the help of Reliance Jio, it is able to do that. How? With this deal, all the kiranas will enter the digital platforms and you can order goods from your nearby shops. Like when you stretch out of your balcony and see, you can see 3 to 4 kirana shops there. But if you were to buy some goods from them, you need to go to the shop and get them. And of course, if a single product is available in all the 4 shops, but you need to get the best quote out of that. Now with this deal, you can do like it is as simple as texting on a WhatsApp. Now Reliance Jio and Facebook together gets all these Indian kiranas onto the digitalized platform, and with a simple text on WhatsApp, you can directly interact with the merchant and get the merchants and get the best quote for that. So in this way, you're saving your time and energy. Of course, you're going for payment options through WhatsApp. And most of you know there's an option called WhatsApp Pay, just like Paytm, PhonePe, and GPay. There is also an option called WhatsApp Pay. Let's discuss how each company is benefited with this deal. Talking about Reliance, Reliance Jio is expected to get more number of subscribers because of this deal. Also, Reliance is looking for clearing its debts to zero. And so this Reliance Jio Facebook deal of 43,574 crore can help them to clear their debts. On the other hand, how Facebook is going to be benefited? Facebook is, as expected, it's getting ad revenues as well as transactional revenues using the WhatsApp Pay option. And this is all about the Reliance Jio and Facebook deal. Thanks for watching and consider liking the content and subscribing to our channel Equint.